Hello and welcome in the new Thought of the Week video on BeRobotized. This week is BeRobotized Goes China. Here, greetings from Shanghai. We are here helping our client to decide with which partner, with which company we should go for Chinese market, and maybe their hardware is also interesting for the worldwide market of their software product. So this will be very interesting thing, very cool stuff in robotics. And anyway, we are in contact with some Chinese companies already for years for helping them developing next steps in their control software and similar things. Nothing came up until now to it, but probably it will. And what fascinated me here in Shanghai is the whole infrastructure. For example, we don't see any trucks here on the highway, and you cannot see them in the city. So the question is how they are actually doing all delivery ways here in 23 million person city, and how whole infrastructure is working flawlessly. And this is of course because everything is new, and comparing this to Germany, it's of course hard because in Germany we have 30-40 years old infrastructure, which was amazing back then. Now it's kind of, yeah, it works, but it comes to its limits. And the question is, will also other countries manage to do this jump after 20, 30, 40 years when they have to build the next generation of infrastructure that Germany is currently, I have to say, a bit struggling with. But comparing with my home in Croatia, where infrastructure basically started falling apart 10 to 20 years ago, and then we started to build new ones, and that's why there is much better infrastructure right now compared to Germany, because you are comparing new with old. But the question is how countries manage to do this jump, and how good infrastructure should be built that you are actually motivated to renew it also after 20 years or something.